In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view trade history statements and accounts for taxation in Metatrader. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your closed trades and how to filter them by date so you can prepare accurate numbers for your tax records. Start by opening Metatrader 5 on your computer. We'll be working in the desktop platform. Once it's up, use a quick shortcut to reveal the panel where your account information and reports live. Press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This opens the toolbox, sometimes called the terminal, along the bottom of the screen. If it's already visible, you won't see anything change, and that's fine. Inside this panel, look for the tab labeled History and click it. This is where Metatrader lists your closed orders and deals, along with balance operations like deposits and withdrawals. You'll also see columns for profit, commission, swap, and other details that matter for tax calculations. Remember, this area shows realized results. Open positions won't appear here until they're closed. To focus the data to the period you need, right-click anywhere inside the history list for the account you're reviewing. A context menu will pop up with date filters. If you want the complete record on the account, choose All History. That will display everything since the account was created, which is helpful for a full review. If you only need a recent window, select last 3 months to get a quarter's activity, or pick last month for a single month. Metatrader will instantly recalculate totals for the range you choose, so the profit numbers you see correspond only to that period. When you need a precise time frame, like a tax year, choose Custom Period. A date selector will appear. Set your start and end dates and confirm. For taxation, pick the exact dates required by your jurisdiction, such as the start and end of the calendar or fiscal year. After applying the filter, scan the bottom of the History tab for summary totals and make sure they align with what you expect for realized profit and losses, swaps, and commissions. A few quick tips to keep your records clean. Metatrader reports based on the broker's server time, which may differ from your local time zone, so align your dates accordingly. If you trade multiple accounts, repeat the same steps for each account's History tab to avoid mixing results. Finally, review any large balance operations separately so you can distinguish trading P&L from deposits and withdrawals. That's all you need to confidently view your trade history for tax purposes in Metatrader.